morning, guys. Welcome and welcome back. I'm on a swan boat. Honestly, having the time of my life. This morning has just been a really beautiful morning. Went for a run, and then I remembered I saw this place yesterday while on a motorbike, and I wanted to come check it out, and here I am, and I'm having such a wonderful morning. Yeah, this is a bit of a workout. Yeah, it's one way to keep fit because I haven't been working out in the past couple of days. One way to really experience a place for me is if I take a walk around the town or if I go for a run, and this morning was just perfect. I thought of staying an extra day, but I don't think I have that much time, so instead go for a run so that I can see as much as I possibly can. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. The time is 9:15. I'm most probably gonna leave in the next hour or maybe at 11 because Nha Trang isn't too far, so that's my next stop from here. Nha Trang, which is about 3 hours ride from Dalat. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing Nha Trang. It's a town along the coast of Vietnam. Yeah, I think it's gonna be beautiful. I'm really excited and looking forward to spending time there. Yeah, so far I'm feeling great, ready to take on day 3 of my trip. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say, guys. Let me get off this thing, go grab breakfast, and head over to my Airbnb, shower, and start making my way to Nha Trang. Okay guys, later. I'm gonna make my way home now. My phone is about to die and I don't know how to get back, so I'm just gonna get a Grab while I still have battery. Yeah, I had a lot of fun playing games. Yeah, this is such a nice place, very nice. I don't know what they're building there. I think they're building a stage of some sort, but it looks massive. It looks huge. Anyways guys, I'm just gonna request for a Grab. Okay, I found a Grab on the side of the road, and I just decided to go with this guy. Gave him my directions, and I'm gonna pay whatever Grab was quoting me. Yeah, let's go, baby. To get off here to go buy some bungee cables to tie my bag with. I saw the shop while I was running. I ran past the shop and I took a picture. I just hope I'll be able to find it, but it's not too far from where I stay, but it's not too far from my Airbnb. Oh, I also saw coconuts on the side of the road, so I decided to get myself one. Yeah, the shop shouldn't be too far from here. And then I'm gonna go get something to eat, get ready, and then head over to Nha Trang. So I found the shop And here are some bungee ropes. Yeah, let me see what I can get. Done getting ready and I'm ready to hit the road. Done packing. I'm still charging the drone. What else? Oh, I was uploading the vlog that's meant to be coming out tonight. I might upload it a bit early since it's the festive season. People are generally not working around this time, so I think it kind of makes sense. So yeah, that video will be coming out today. So last night I tried out some local wine. I drank the whole bottle last night. Yeah, it was crazy. It was decent wine, not too bad. Yeah guys, let me wrap up and head out. I have 3 hours of riding ahead of me. Really looking forward, as I'll be riding on the coast, or along the coast rather. So yeah, looking forward. Yeah, check you guys later. Thank you.
Không sao đâu. Rồi bóp thắng.
It's okay.
Dắt ra.
Okay, thank you. Oh.
Dốc nó cao quá. Này cao quá.
Yeah. Hey guys, I just stopped at this very beautiful place. I don't know if you guys can see behind me, but this place looks insane. And I made a friend. How's it, brother?
Hello.
So we both heading towards the same direction, so we're just gonna go together. I'm gonna follow him. I think it's about 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes, I think. Yeah, so yeah, let's head out. just stopped for coffee.
Bạn đồng hành cùng đường thôi, em cũng không quen bạn là vượt với đường.
It looks very, very interesting. We have about 30 more minutes to go. I think I'm gonna try get an Airbnb so that I know exactly where I'm going. Let me do that actually. This coffee has a very interesting taste. I mean, it's almost like an espresso but with condensed milk. Very interesting, really nice. First time having Vietnamese coffee. Actually, I'm lying. I don't know if the coffee I had yesterday was the same as this, but this is really nice. Just checked into my Airbnb, but this is not the room I booked online. Yeah, definitely not the room because it's not facing. Oh wait, I mean, I have a view of the sea, but it's outside. The bedroom doesn't have the view of the ocean. There isn't a window in here. So I've just asked the host to change my room because I booked this room on the basis that it has a sea view. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait and see what they say, but I'm really tired and hungry, so I might go get some food and come back and chill. The room situation is finally sorted. This place is amazing. Can you guys see this? I can't wait to wake up to this. This looks insane. Okay guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned for more. I still have about a week and a half of just traveling, making stops for the next 10 days or maybe less. But yeah, if you want to see that, stay tuned, switch on your bell notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.